All right, what we're going to talk about today is this Pittsburgh Automotive plastic fastener kit. It's got 240 pieces in there, assorted pieces. It's got 12 different sizes, 20 each, and it is for splash shields and what have you. So the good folks at Detroit Muscle sent me this splash shield for this XJ. I have one of my other XJ, and I bought that one, and they were so kind. They knew I had another XJ, and they sent me this one. So the other one's working great. And as you can see, when you get this from Detroit Muscle, they give you these little Christmas tree looking fasteners. But I needed some more, so I picked this up. It obviously comes wrapped in plastic, so we will cut the plastic, and let's see what we got in here. The case is pretty nice. Got your little snaps. And look at here. So we have a wide assortment, quarter hole all the way to these large ones here. Okay, there's not much to see other than it's 20 pieces. This thing sells for like $14.99, but every now and then there's a 30% discount. There's a 30% discount right now. So, I mean, this is like $10. You can't beat this. You can't even get a better deal from this on Amazon. And these all seem to be decent quality. And here are the pieces laid out so you can see them. So this quarter hole 6.4 millimeter is actually this one. The 23/64 is this one. This one is the 5/16, 9/32, 25/64, and 25/64. So just different designs, see, right there. And then down here we have the little push pin type 25/64, 25/64, 5/16, 23/64, 5/16, and a quarter inch. So not much more to say about these, but if you've got an old Jeep like I've got, and I am about to put these splash guards back on here, so we are going to use, I would imagine, a lot of these. And for those holes that these will not take care of, you always have the palm rivet, the plastic rivet assortment. This thing works really good. So this is also a Harbor Freight item. It sells for like $13 or something like that. You can put plastic rivets in the place of these for these type of situations. Well, that's a simple video. Hopefully it helps you make a more informed purchasing decision. But right now there's a 30% off coupon. So this would be a really good deal for about $10. But if you're watching this video when there's no 30% off coupon, for $14 it's not a bad deal either. So y'all have a great weekend.